If you want to use Circle to Search on your Motorola smartphone, the first thing that you should do is check if you have Circle to Search on your phone and whether it is enabled. So in this case, we're gonna go to Settings, search for the Gestures option, and then go to System Navigation. In here, we should be able to find Circle to Search if your phone, of course, has it. And if you do, then of course you can make sure that it is enabled. Once it is enabled, you can press and hold your finger on the navigation bar at the bottom of the screen for like a second or two. And if you use 3 buttons for navigation instead, you want to press and hold your finger on the home button. And there we go, we have the overlay of Circle to Search. Now you can draw a shape around the subject that you want to search for in Google. Besides that, we should also be able to tap on the subject instead. At least most of the time it works pretty well. And there we go, we have Google search results based on the selected area. Of course, even if you manage to select an area, you can still draw another shape, for example. You can grab by the corners in order to readjust the area quite easily. You can tap on text that you can see over here. So you can, for example, search with the specific phrase that you select over here, and so on and so forth. Now, besides that, another feature that is available with the Circle to Search is the song recognition. So if you tap on this music note button here, then you should be able to search for a song. Let me actually go from here. There we go. And now we can play, sing, or hum a song. So you can, if you have an option to play the song that you're looking for, but you don't know the title of that song, of course, then you can play it right next to your phone. Or let's say you are somewhere outside and you can hear a song, then you might try to use that feature, and then you should be able to find the song title. I mean, the phone should be able to find the song title with the artist, of course, and you should get a Google search result with that song. And also we have a screen translation. So let's say we're gonna open the Google feed over here, and if I tap on this translation button, then I can easily translate my screen from one language to another. Usually the source language is automatically detected, and the target language can be, of course, adjusted. And there we go, as you can see, we have the translation of the screen. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.